Tired of your Yahoo Mail looking outdated with that default avatar? Learn how to change it in under a minute. I will walk you through signing in, finding settings, and uploading a new photo. Let's get started. Alright, first thing you want to do is sign into your Yahoo Mail account. Go ahead and open up your browser. Head to mail.yahoo.com and log in with your email and password. If you are already signed in on another tab, just make sure you are on the main inbox page. This is where everything starts, so take a second to get there. Now that you are signed in and looking at your inbox, we need to find the settings gear. Look over on the right side of the page, just below that main navigation bar. You will see a small gear icon, and it might say Settings next to it. Click on that gear. And here is the thing. This is where a lot of people get tripped up. They look for a profile option in the top corner, but Yahoo buries it a little. So trust me on this, it is that gear icon. So you have clicked the gear icon, and a menu drops down. From that list, you want to select Personal Settings. It is usually near the bottom of that menu. Go ahead and click that. Now you are in a new section, and this is where all the magic happens for your account. Once you are inside Personal Settings, you will see your current profile picture. It might be that boring default silhouette or an old photo you are tired of. Click directly on that picture or on the photo area itself. A small window or pop-up will appear with a couple of options. From that pop-up, you want to select Change Photo or Upload Photo. The wording might be slightly different depending on your browser or if you are on a mobile device, but it will be one of those two. Click that. Now we get to the fun part. Your computer or phone will open up a file picker. This is where you choose a new image from your device. I have tested this across different browsers and devices, and it works the same way. Browse through your folders and find the photo you want to use. It can be a selfie, a logo, a pet picture, whatever reflects you. Just click on it and hit Open or Choose. Now, depending on the size and shape of your photo, Yahoo might ask you to adjust it. A little cropping tool will appear. You can drag the edges or move the image around to make sure it is centered and looks just right. This is a really nice touch because it makes sure your face or the important part of the image is not cut off. Take a moment to get it perfect. Once you are happy with how it looks, look for the Save button. Click that button to update your profile picture. And that is it. You will see a quick confirmation, and your new photo will appear right away. No waiting around. So there you have it. You went from a generic avatar to a personalized photo that actually looks like you or represents what you want. It is a small change, but it makes your Yahoo Mail feel a lot more like your own space. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, and I will catch you in the next one.